Hi everyone, it's Monty, the polka dot pinecone. I am coming on today to share with you guys some items that I received. Beebeecrafts reached out to me asking if I'd want to try out some of their products, and so I said yes. I picked out a few and I'll show you what they sent me, and then I will be back to show some of the things I create with it. So anyway, here we are. So got some fun things I think will be fun to work with. First off, I got some of these resin Halloween pieces. So there is I think there's like 50 pieces in here. But these should be fun to, maybe either just kind of add as embellishments or like a center for a rosette or, stuff like that. But anyway, there's quite a few different styles in here. Ghosts and a couple different colors of designs of pumpkins, spiders, scarecrow. Here's a cute little mummy, like a haunted house, witch hats. So really cute. A couple of different kinds of ghosties and a cute little spider with a bow in her hair. Really cute little owl too. So anyway, some real cute little pieces. I'm pretty sure there was, I think it said there was 50 in here, so these should be fun to work with. So there's those. And then I received some of these little silver charms. So they're all silver, but I can see myself maybe painting these gold or pink or white or something to kind of match some of the colors. But there's all different kinds. Christmas trees and different styles of stockings, Santa faces, snowmen, deer, different kinds of snowmen. Here's Christmas trees. There's a different kind of deer head right here. Different kind of like a vintage type Santa. Some bells. Snowflakes. Anyway, really cute things. Another one here's like a moose. Cute. Actually, it's an elk. And different kinds of Santas. So super cute little charms. So I'm excited to make something with those. So there's that. And then they sent me these little boxes of sequins. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 12 different ones in each pack. And can't tell through all this. I think there's different color. Yeah, there's different colors. Anyway, this one here is like a, can you see that? So it's like a star with the center cut out of it. There's all different pretty colors in there. So this should be fun to make some shaker things out of. It's in its own little case. And then there's also this one. And these are regular stars. Lots of pretty colors. So excited to try out these. And then I wanted to get some dies to try. Dies are one of my favorite things. So I had this set of dies. It comes with this set of leaves. So different types of leaves. They are pretty detailed, so it's going to give you you know, some embossing looks from those, so it'll show a bunch of detail on the leaves. So that's a nice little set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different pieces in that one. And there's a cute butterfly. Pretty good size too. It's about, let's see, it's about 2.5 inches tall and about 2.5 inches wide also. So there's that one. Then it came with this 2-piece set here with the cute picket fence and then a flower and grass border scene. And these are about 3 inches wide and about 1.5 inches tall. Yeah, both of them. So there's that one. And then there's this little pack here that has Christmas trees. I think there's 3 different sizes in here. Yeah, there's 3 different sizes. So got a big one, a medium one, and a baby one. And then it also has some of the, you know, the little marks inside also to give you some, you know, texture in your die cuts. So this should be fun to make some things out of for winter and Christmas themed projects. There's that. And then the last one of it is this little deer set. So it's got the buck, and then it has a I guess that's supposed to be a smaller buck, and then the littler one. So anyway, that should be fun, again, for Christmas projects and winter theme projects. So let's see, on this Christmas tree, it is about 3¼ inches tall. The medium one is about 3 inches tall, and the small one is about 2¼ inches tall. And then the deer, 2¾ tall on the tallest one. Medium one is about 2¼ and the small one is about 1½ inches tall. So again, these should be all fun to work with. I'm excited to try it out. I'll put the links to the site and the items that I got, so if you're interested, you can go check them out. Again, it's from Beebeecrafts. It's beebeecrafts.com. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for stopping by and checking it out. I'll be back soon to show you what I create with it. And thanks again for watching, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.